YouTube video ideas without showing your face. Here are some video ideas to explore if you are new to YouTube, don't want to be seen on camera, or don't want to spend a lot of money on equipment. A new type of YouTube video I've seen is someone covering a topic on Reddit and sharing the best posts or comments. Generally, they take the best posts from a subscription and turn them into a visual, read words and add funny audio comments. Live reactions from sporting events are another type of YouTube video that has recently gained popularity. Sometimes people dislike the commentators chosen by a television station to cover specific sporting events. For example, you might provide commentary on YouTube Live during the Super Bowl, and people would just listen to you while watching the game. Explaining things on a whiteboard or utilizing whiteboard animation is another popular YouTube video technique that does not require being on camera. Without having to expose your face, this is an extremely effective technique of generating viral videos. Depending on the subject you are attempting to outline, you can create these types of videos yourself using whiteboard animation software such as VideoScribe. You don't have to be on camera to stream or record yourself playing video games, believe it or not. This can be accomplished by recording it on Twitch, downloading it, and then editing it with a video editor when finished. Then you simply upload the videos to YouTube. A podcast with simply a static image as the visual is another innovative approach to create YouTube videos without being on camera. Because you don't have to deal with people, animation, or any other form of moving image, this is one of the simplest ways to make YouTube videos. If you don't want to be on camera, an office or house tour is a fantastic option. This video style has the benefit of being adaptable to almost any sort of channel. Simply explain while showing the equipment and rooms for your graphics using your phone or camera. Establish a gaming channel. You may perform screen share evaluations if you have a more instructional channel. You can really capture your screen using an inexpensive tool like Screencast-O-Matic or something like Camtasia if you want more capability. I've discovered an increasing number of YouTube channels that take memes and content from other social media sites, such as Reddit, and comment on them in video form. Although this video style may be simpler than many other popular channels, remember that over 2 million subscribers are present. Product unboxings or reviews may also be another type of video that you can do without being on camera for any channel. In addition, many people are interested in making money by constantly creating videos. However, if you execute it correctly and are open with your audience, it might become one of your most successful videos. Another awesome YouTube video without being on camera is an explainer or even motivational video that uses stock footage as a visual. I recommend Canva, Storyblocks, Pixels, or Pixabay if you are looking for stock footage of these types of channels. In these types of movies, you break down the smallest details that people might want to know about something they really enjoy or want to be successful at. In a video game, for example, you may break down how to fight bosses like this. You might discuss little aspects that people may have missed in a popular film like this for a movie-related breakdown. If you have a unique style and keep people entertained, animation videos are also incredibly popular on YouTube. Of course, some artistic skill is required, but it is one of the best options if you want to produce effective videos without being on the camera. Popular cartoons, television shows, films, and other media parodies are among the best ways to launch a new animated channel. Animal content, such as cats, dogs, and other animals, is popular on nearly every site, including Reddit, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and others. Some creators also have a big number of videos dedicated to their pets that have earned millions of views. It's just another interesting type of video you can do without being on camera.